MIT has suspended PhD student Prahlad Iyengar until January 2026, following his pro-Palestine essay on pacifism, published in the student magazine Written Revolution. The essay, which featured imagery and language deemed potentially supportive of violent protest, has sparked controversy on campus. The article included the logo of the Popular Front for the Liberation of Palestine, a group designated as a terrorist organization by the US State Department. This is not Iyengar's first clash with MIT. He was also disciplined last year for participating in pro-Palestinian rallies. The suspension disrupts Iyengar's academic journey, effectively terminating his 5-year NSF fellowship. He has labeled the decision a gross violation of free speech, asserting that the magazine's goal was to provide a platform for student activism. The MIT Coalition Against Apartheid has launched protests calling the suspension a form of repression and urging the administration to revoke or reduce the sanctions. The coalition argues that such actions stifle free speech and academic freedom, rallying support from organizations to pressure MIT. Iyengar's appeal is currently under review.